Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, football season is in the end. Teams are fighting for playoff positions right now. My Seahawks just took over first place in our division. Way to go, Seahawks. I'm going to do, or attempt to do, a appetizer that'll be good for the big games or the holidays or at any function that you have that you want to take a quick little bite to. So let me show you what I'm going to do here. I was over at Costco the other day and I found these chicken sausages that have pineapple and bacon in them. So we're going to use this here, smoked chicken sausage. Then I also picked up a Rshackbbq beef smoked sausage. So we got that. And then I picked up a package or a 1 pound of thick cut bacon. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the bacon. What I like to do, just get it opened up here. All right. And we're just going to cut it in half. Like so. We'll set the rest of this aside. Let's get some of our chicken sausages out of here. It looks like we hit those ones with the knife. But that's okay. So let's take 3 of these out. And what I want to do, I'm actually going to cut them in pretty good chunks here. Let's just see what we got here. Probably 4 chunks each, something like that. Then we'll take our easy open Rshackbbq. Let's just take it out of the package there. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to chunk it. Something like that. So we have a smoked beef sausage and we got some chicken here. We got our bacon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit it with Uncle Steve's Shake, the original CJ blend. Cooking with CJ, that's pretty nice. But this is Uncle Steve's Shakes. A little cooking, drinking, grilling, and a whole lot more. You can find him on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just look for Uncle Steve's Shake. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle some of this on here. Like so. And we'll put some on the bacon too. So, what we got a little tray here that's got a rack on it, lined with foil. What I want to do, get my toothpicks open. So I'm going to take a piece of bacon, take a little stretch here, I'm going to roll it up on this. So, and we're going to take a toothpick and just come right through it like that. We're going to put it on up here. That was a beef one. We might end up using all that bacon. And you could probably cut this into thirds because that's pretty thick there. Might cut them down one more try here. Like so. Alright, I'll get all these done here and we'll go from there. Cut this down real quick. See if this is enough. Not quite enough, but maybe give it a little stretch. Maybe if I had started out in thirds, it would have been better, but something like that. And a smaller one. Added a little flavor with that barbecue seasoning rub, the bacon, the smoked sausage. get this all done. Let me finish this up. Show you what it looks like so far. Something like that. It's gonna come out delicious. Okay, here's our appetizer sausage bacon bites. Getting ready to go out and fire up the Weber kettle. I sprinkled a little more of that Uncle Steve shake on them. And so let's get into the next process. Okay, so we'll let the grill come up to temp. We're going to try to get it as hot as we can. All vents are wide open. And then we'll put our little bacon wrapped sausages on here. And we'll check them after about 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been another half hour here since we checked these. So we've been about an hour and a half in now. Let's have a look and see what they're looking like. Beautiful. Coming along very nicely. So here I have a little bit of barbecue sauce. Put some of that. So I'm gonna give them maybe 15-20 more minutes and then we'll pull them off and sample them up. They're looking good. Okay, it's been another 15 minutes. I think it's time to pull these off and try them. Let's get them in the house. First, let's take a look. Those look good. Oh yeah. Here's our finished bacon wrapped sausage done on the Weber kettle with Stubbs barbecue sauce. Let's get in and taste one of these things. And try to find one of each. One of the smoked sausage, beef sausage, and then one of the chicken pineapple. I can't tell which is which, so. Oh. Oh yeah. That'll be a hit. That was the smoked sausage, beef sausage. I can tell that, but delicious. Wow. Let's see if I can find one of the chicken ones here. Guess I should have done a better job of keeping them sorted out. Let's see what this one is. This is half the fun. That's the chicken one. That's perfect. The pineapple flavor you're getting coming through that chicken. The bacon, not crispy, but it is cooked and it's delicious. Oh my. Oh yeah. I tell you what, this came out perfect. Gotta rinse my. So you saw how I did that and what I used. I used the chicken pineapple bacon Audales that you can get at Costco. I used 3 of those and I cut them into fourths, about 1-inch chunks if you want to call it. Used a pound of bacon, cut it in half. I would recommend cutting it into thirds. You can get more done. And I used a Hillshire smoked sausage also on it. Put a little bit of barbecue seasoning on that Uncle Steve's shake, which was really good. Put that on the meat, and then I also sprinkled it on the bacon once I had them wrapped up. Then I took them out to the Weber, had it as hot as I can get it. Wasn't as hot as it could be. I should have done like 2 zones, more coals. I left both vents wide open. Ran it for, I would say, probably 45 minutes, and then I rotated it. On a hotter day, you're probably not gonna need 45 minutes. A half hour would probably do good. Rotate it, let it go another half hour, 45 minutes, whatever, till you get them done to where you will think you want them. Then mop them with your favorite barbecue sauce. Let that barbecue sauce set on the grill. Then take them off, and let me tell you something. This is a delicious appetizer. I can't say enough. It's delicious. It's perfect. Well, as I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too. You can even do this in your oven if you want to. Probably quicker in the oven. I would get it up to around 375. Probably be a lot quicker because that meat is already cooked. But you can do this too. And grill on, everybody. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Wow, those are really good. I'm gonna have to have another one. Winner, winner.